Yoga full body stretches for tension and sore muscles. Welcome to this gentle 15-minute yoga stretch designed to soothe tension and release soreness from the entire body. Find any seated position that feels supportive today. Let your spine rise tall and let your shoulders relax away from the ears. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale out through the mouth. Let's begin with soft movement in the neck. Start by gently circling the head, noticing any stiffness or sensation. Maybe rock side to side, or draw figure eights with the nose. Let's come back to center. Begin to make soft fists with the hands and circle the wrists, one direction, then the other. Notice any clicks and just breathe into the space of release. Now, let's bring motion into the torso. Begin to circle the rib cage, gently rolling the spine. Inhale as you circle forward. Exhale as you roll back. Switch directions when you feel ready. This is your time to feel into your body. From here, straighten out your right leg, flexing the foot with the toes pointing up. Bend your left knee, letting it open out to the side. Sole of the left foot resting against the inside of the right thigh or calf. Adjust your seat if needed. You can pull the sitting flesh gently back to ground down into the mat. Left hand comes beside the left hip, maybe lowering to the forearm. Inhale, reach the right hand up and over for a soft side stretch. Feel the length through the right waist. Gaze upward if it feels okay in the neck. Breathe into the right ribs. Inhale back to center. Now, gently hinge forward at the hips, leading with the heart. Pause where you feel a stretch. No need to force. Let the spine stay long, shoulders soft. With each inhale, imagine creating more space in the back of the leg. With each exhale, maybe soften a little deeper. Take one more breath here and gently rise. Lift your left knee now. Place the left foot on the inside or outside of the right thigh, whatever feels good today. Right hand can come to the left knee. Left hand behind you. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, twist gently to the left. Maybe take the right elbow outside the knee if it's accessible. Keep the spine long and the gaze soft. Breathe deeply into the low belly, into the upper back, and slowly unwind. Let's switch sides now. Extend the left leg long toes to the sky. Bend the right knee and let it drop open. Foot comes in to rest against the inner left thigh or calf. Find your grounded seat again. Spine lifts tall. Plant your right hand beside you or come to the forearm. Inhale, left hand lifts. Exhale, side bend to the right. Let the left ribs open. Relax the jaw and shoulders. Come back up and gently fold forward over the extended left leg. Let it be soft Pause where you feel sensation. Breathe into the hamstring, the calf. Feel your body soften, even if only in energy. Let's lift the chest slowly. Bend the right knee up, placing the foot to the inside or outside of the left thigh. Left hand on the right knee, right hand behind. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the right. Stay tall through the crown, soft through the shoulders. Gently unwind. Pause for a moment. Now let's make our way to tabletop. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop the belly. Gaze up, cow. Exhale, round the spine. Gaze to navel, cat. Flow through a few more rounds with your breath. Feel the spine move. Feel the tension melt. Let's come to a neutral spine and begin to walk the hands forward, keeping the hips above the knees. Lower the chest and forehead toward the mat for puppy pose. Support the forehead with a block if needed. Feel the stretch across the chest and shoulders. Breathe into the upper back. Stay here for a few slow breaths. Now gently come forward onto your belly. Rest on the forearms for a gentle sphinx pose. Lift through the heart. Tuck the tailbone. Maybe rock the body side to side. Gaze over one shoulder, then the other. If you'd like a deeper stretch, extend the left arm straight out to the side. Roll open toward the right side. Maybe step the right foot behind you. Support with your right hand. Pause where it feels best, never forcing, just observing. Come back to center. Switch sides. Extend the right arm out, open toward the left. Left foot it steps back. Pause and breathe. When you're ready, gently release. Bring both hands beside your ribs. Let your whole body rest. Soak in the stillness. Now press up into downward facing dog. Hips high, knees softly bent. Pedal out the feet if you'd like. Feel the spine lengthen. When you're ready, lower the knees. Send the hips back toward the heels. Child's pose. Forehead to the mat. Arms extended or by your sides. This is your space to rest. Breathe into the low back. Exhale. Let everything soften. Arms, hips, face. Slowly rise, rounding up one vertebra at a time. Let the head come up last. Rest your hands on your thighs, palms facing up. Close your eyes. Offer yourself gratitude for taking this time to connect and release. Inhale, arms rise overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.